Hi, I'm Kevin Bowers, owner of Mastershield Atlanta. We specialize in Mastershield gutter protection. We do gutters, downspouts, a little bit of trim work, a little bit of woodwork behind it, but our main focus is giving you a gutter guard that works for the long term. As you see behind us, the gutter guard that we put on goes at the same angle as the roof. This way it sheds debris in a much better fashion than anything that sits flat.
The sales process was super smooth, super easy, no high pressure sales tactics, none of those gimmicks that you hear about from a lot of other companies and that we experience with a lot of other providers. So we really like that about Mastershield.
The product we install is called Mastershield Gutter Protection. It has 6 patents on it and also our exclusive copper mesh, which has 3 patents pending. Both of these products are invented by Alex Higginbotham. Leaf filter was invented in 2001, and then Mastershield was patented in 2004. There's nothing else that works quite like it, and this mesh isn't made anywhere else for any other product except for Mastershield Gutter Protection.